Samsung's slimmest beast yet, the Galaxy S25 Edge is coming. Get ready, because Samsung is about to shake things up with its sleekest smartphone ever. A leaked teaser just confirmed the Galaxy S25 Edge is launching on May 13th, and fans are already buzzing with excitement. Originally expected in April, this much-awaited phone is finally making its big debut this month. Famous tipster Evan Blass spilled the beans by revealing Samsung's official teaser, featuring the tagline, "Beyond Slim." It's a clear hint that the S25 Edge will be razor thin and stylish to match. Although the phone might officially hit the US on May 30, the design is no longer a mystery. The teaser showcases a stunning ultra-slim body with a titanium frame and ceramic protection, ditching the typical glass back. You'll get to pick from 3 gorgeous colors too. The Galaxy S25 Edge is the 4th model in the S25 series, launching before the Galaxy S25 FE, which is expected later this year. And just as Apple prepares its own slim iPhone to replace the Plus model, Samsung is striking first. Specs-wise, the S25 Edge boasts a 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display, a dual rear camera setup with a massive 200-megapixel main sensor, and the same 12-megapixel selfie camera found on the S25 Ultra. However, there's a bit of a catch. It might come with a smaller battery than the regular S25 and slower 25-watt charging. Still, with the powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite under the hood, performance should be top-notch.